Alright guys, here we go. The FY08 on 3S. And I just want to demo it for you guys first on the kid mode right here, because if you look in the back you can switch to modes from children's mode or children's model to high speed model. So right now, as you can tell right there, the arrow's pointing at the green, so that's children's mode. So on 3S, even on children's mode, this thing is fast. Check it out. Isn't that crazy? I let one of my friends run this on a trail like this, and he had no issues. Well, you know, he had to bump it up a lot of this stuff and pick it up sometimes, some of the technical stuff, but he ran this thing without damaging anything. Oh, alright, since I rolled it, I guess let's go to high speed model time. Oh. As you can tell, this truck is great on 3S. Still likes to roll over a lot though, a lot of traction on those wheels. Oh, look at that. I need to fix my battery compartment. This thing pops out right there out of that thing. You just need to reattach it. But I would put a zip tie between this and this right here to keep it in place. I'll show you once I put it together. See how it goes together right there? Hooks up to here. I would just put a zip tie between that so this stops popping out of there. That's the only issue I've been having with it rolling over. By the way guys, that is a Fluorion 2200 mAh 60C Lipo in there. Alright, there you guys go. That's it for a 3S run for me. It's getting hot out here. But, you know, you guys already seen some running videos of this thing, and 3S is awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, go out there, have some fun, and run that RC!